Hey everyone, I'm Eva James with the University of Florida Polk County IFAS Extension, and today we are going to learn how to lay ground cover. Okay, so whenever it comes to laying ground cloth, you want to make sure that you use a clean, sharp pair of cutting utensils. Scissors work great, and you can also use an X-Acto knife if you prefer. As for inserting the stakes into the ground, make sure that you keep a constant tension on the tarp. This allows you to have a smoother surface overall, while also reducing the hazard of someone tripping. And whenever you lay your ground cloth side by side, always overlap it at least 2 to 3 inches. This prevents weeds from growing up in the gaps. And always make sure that when you place your stake into the ground cloth that you're going through both layers of the cover. Okay, so now let's take a full look at the process. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please check out our other videos, and below there is a link for more information on all things IFAS. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, happy gardening, guys. Till next time.